Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients. By the way, all of the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below. So I've got some fresh white mushrooms there. I've cut them quite chunky. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into long strips. Onion, green onion, garlic, ginger, soy sauce. I'm using a dark soy sauce. You could use a light one if you wanted. And here we've got oyster sauce. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt, tiny amount because these are quite salty, and black pepper. Let's go. Okay, so I've got a wok here. You're going to need a wok or a pan or something. Some oil. I'm using some corn oil today. You could be using something different if you like. We're going to start off by dropping in our ginger, our garlic. I'm on quite a high heat, by the way. Just let that do its thing for a few seconds. Now we're going to add our onion. This is all going to happen very fast, and it's very, very easy. This. Now we're going to go for our chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into strips. Staying on this high heat. I'll see you in 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, there you go. Now because our chicken is cut so thin, it will cook really quickly. At this point we're going to drop in our mushrooms, fresh mushrooms, and like I said, I've cut them quite chunky. Let's get a little bit of salt now. Small amount of salt please guys, because the soy and the oyster sauces are both quite salty. Black pepper. Staying on this high heat, 3 more minutes, keep it moving. This is looking absolutely wonderful, and like I say, nice and quick and easy. Next up, we're going to add our soy, our oyster sauce, a little splash of water, not too much. 3 more minutes, keep it moving. That's fantastic. Off goes the heat. We're going to drop in a little bit of green onion. We're going to give that a mix, and that is it. That is beautiful with some noodles or with some rice. Hope you enjoy that, nice and easy. Leave us a message, we'd like to hear from you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Take care, we love you.